morning to all. I am Pawan Kumar, grade 7, subject mathematics, lesson number 3, playing with numbers. Playing with numbers. Exercise 3.2. First one, what is the sum of any two odd numbers, even numbers? First one, what is the sum of any two odd numbers? Already we know that odd numbers. Odd number is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. This is called the odd numbers. Our question part is sum of. Sum means plus of any two odd numbers. Any two odd numbers. Our answer is the sum of any two odd number is an even number. The sum of any two odd number is an even numbers. Listen here. Sum of any two odd numbers. Odd numbers plus odd numbers. Sum of two odd numbers. Sum of two odd numbers is equal to even numbers. Our answer is even number. Because odd numbers, first odd number is 1, for example, plus the second odd number is 3. We add 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 is a even number. Listen here. 4 is a even number. Now, even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, and etc. This is a even number. So, sum of two odd number is equal to even number. For example, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 1 is an odd number, 3 is an odd number. So, 1 plus 3 is odd number. The 4 is even. Sum of two odd number is even number. One more example, 5 plus 7. We take one more example, 5 plus 7 is equal to 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. 5 is odd number and then 7 is also odd number. 5 plus 7. That means sum of two odd number is equal to even number. Sum of two odd number is equal to even number. The next one, B part. What is the sum of two even numbers? What is the sum of two even numbers? Solution is the sum of two even number is even number. The sum of any two even number is also an even number. Listen here. For even number is 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. This is all even numbers. We take sum of any two even numbers. Sum of any two even numbers. For example, 2 is an even number plus 4 is also an even number. So we want to sum 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. So 6 is an even number. That means even number plus even number is equal to even number. Even plus even is equal to even. Listen here. Odd plus odd is equal to even. Then even plus even is equal to even. So our answer is the sum of any two even number is an even number. The next one. Third one. The numbers 30 and 31 are prime numbers. Already we know that the prime numbers means the number divided by 1 and itself. Prime numbers mean the number divided by 1 and itself. Listen here. 3 is an even number. 3 is an even number. Because the number 3 divided by 1 and itself. 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3. 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3. Next one. 3 divided by itself. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. So we have two factors. 1 and 3. the number divided by 1 and itself is called prime number. What is the prime number? The number divided by 1 and itself. Next we take number 2. The 2 is also prime number because 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2. 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2. Then again 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So it's also prime number. Number 2 also prime number. 3 is a prime number. Then 4. 4 divided by 1 is equal to 4. 4 divided by 1 is equal to 4. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 1. 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. Our answer is 2. Again 4 divided by itself. 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. We have 1, 2, 3. 3 factors having more than 2 factor means that is called the composite number. More than 2 factor is called composite number. So it is not a prime number. So what is prime number? Prime number means the number divided by 1 and itself. So 2 is a prime number, and then 3 is also prime number, then 5 is a prime number, the next one 7, 11. So what is a prime number? Prime number means the number divided by 1 and itself. Prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. That's next class. It is called a prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. It is a prime number. Prime numbers means the number divided by 1 and itself. So we want to the numbers 30 and 31. 30 is a prime number and 31 is also prime number. But our question part is both these numbers will have same digits. Listen here 1, 3. Here also 1, 3. 1, 3, 3, 1. We change. That is also prime number. Have same digits 1 and 3. Find the such pairs of prime numbers up to 100. Our question part is find the such pairs of prime numbers up to 100. We have same digits. Both are same digits. First one given sum is 13 and 31. Your common number is 1 and 3. 1, 1, 3, 3. We take another number is 17. It is a prime number. 1, 7. 1, 7. 17 is a prime number. And we change the place 1, 7, 7, 1. It is also prime number. 17 is a prime number and 71 is a prime number. The next one 37. 37 is a prime number and 73. 73 also prime number. Listen here. Given number is 30 and 31. 30 and 31. 13 is a prime number and 31 is also prime number. We take another example for 17 is a prime number and then 71 is a prime number. The next one 37. 37 is a prime number and 73 also prime number. The next one 97. 97 is a prime number. 79 and 97. 79 is a prime number and 97 is also prime number. Listen here. 1, 1, 7, 7. 3, 3, 7, 7. 7, 7, 9, 9. It is a such pairs of prime numbers up to 100 up to 100. Next one, fourth one. Write down the separately prime and composite number less than 20. Less than 20. You find the prime number and composite number. You want to prime number and then composite number. What is the prime number? Prime numbers means the number divided by 1 and itself. The composite numbers means you want to more than 2 factors called the composite number. More than 2 factors called the composite number. Prime numbers means the number divided by 1 and itself. Prime means the number divided by 1 and itself. 1 and itself. The next one, composite number. Composite means more than 2 factors is called the composite number. More than 2 factors. More than 2 factors is called the composite number. Our question part is write down the separately prime and composite numbers less than 20. Less than 20. That means less than 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, up to 19. Because we want to less than 20. Less than 20. Our question part is we want to prime and composite. Prime and composite. Less than 20. First we take the prime number. Prime. Prime number. Prime number means the number divided by 1 and itself. 1 is not a prime and composite. Then 2 is a prime number. 2 is a prime number because the number 2 divided by 1 and itself. Number 2 divided by 1 and itself. The next one, 3 is also prime number because the number 3 divided by 1 and itself. The next one, number 4. 4 is a composite number. 4 is a composite number because 4 have the fact 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. More than 2 factor having, so that is called the composite number. So next prime number is 5. 6 is a composite number. So 7 is prime number. And 8 is also composite number. 9 also composite number. Then 10 composite number. Number 11 is a prime number because the number 11 divided by 1 and itself. The next one, 13, 17 and then 19. 13, 17 and 19. These are the prime numbers. Listen here. You want to prime number less than 20. So 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. This is all called the prime numbers. This is all called the prime numbers. Listen here. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. This is all called the prime numbers because the number divided by 1 and itself is called the prime number. The next one, composite number. Remaining numbers 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18. This is not called the composite numbers because composite means more than 2 factor. Listen here. Next one, composite number. 4 is a composite number because 4 have 3 factors. Composite numbers. Number 4 is a composite number, and then 6 is also composite number because 6 divided by 1 is equal to 6. 6 divided by 1 is equal to 6. The next one, 6 divided by 2. 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. And again 6 divided by 3 is equal to 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. So 2. We have 1 2 3. 3 factors. And again 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. We have 4 factors. That means more than 4 factors means that is called the composite numbers. More than 2 factors is called the composite number. We have 1 2 3 4 factors coming. Our condition is only more than 2 factors called the composite numbers. So 6 is a composite number. 8 is also composite number. 4 6 8 9 also composite number because composite number means more than 2 factors. We take the number 9 divided by 1 is equal to 9. 9 divided by 1 is equal to 9. Next 9 divided by 9 is equal to 1. 9 divided by 9 is equal to 1. Again 9 divided by 3. 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. So we have more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors. So that means that is a composite number. 9 is also composite number. The next one, 10 is a composite number. 12, 14, 15 and 16. And then 18 because you want to less than 20. Next one, what is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10? You want to greatest prime number between 1 and 10. Already you know that the prime number. Prime number means 1 and itself. The number divided by 1 and itself. The given number is between 1 to 10. 1 to 10. It means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Between 1 to 10, so we take the numbers 2 to 9. You want to greatest prime number. First you take the prime numbers. 2 is a prime number. 3 is a prime number. And then 4 is composite. 5 is a prime number. 6 is also composite. 7 is a prime number. 8 and 9 is a composite number. So we want to greatest prime. Greatest prime. 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. This is a prime number between 1 and to 10. So your largest prime is 7. Your largest prime is 7. Therefore our solution is greatest prime number is equal to 7. Greatest prime number is equal to 7. Greatest prime number is equal to 7. Next one, given 3 pairs of prime numbers whose difference is 2. Given 3, give 3 pairs of prime numbers whose difference is 2. Difference means minus. Difference means minus you want to 3 pairs of prime numbers. Prime numbers means the number divided by 1 or itself. You want to 3 pairs. So first one, prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. This is not called the prime numbers. You want to difference is 2. 5, 3. We take the number 5 and 3. 5 and 3. Whose difference is 2? Difference is minus 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So first pair is 5 comma 3. First pair is 5 comma 3 or 3 comma 5. The next one, take 5 and 7. So 7, 5. You want to minus is equal to 7 minus 5 is equal to 2 because the difference is 2. The next one we take 7 and 11. We take 11 and 13. 13 minus 11 is equal to 2. 11 comma 13. So therefore we want to 3 pairs of prime numbers whose difference is 2. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 13 minus 11 is equal to 2. This is the difference. The pairs of prime numbers 5 comma 3, 7 comma 5, 11 comma 13. Therefore, pairs of prime numbers first one 5 comma 3 and second one 7 comma 5 and then third one 11 comma 13. Give 3 pairs of prime numbers whose difference is 2. 3 pairs 1, 2, 3. Next one 8th one. Which of the following numbers are prime? They are given A, B, C, D. A is equal to 23. The first one A 23. 23 is a prime number. 23 is a prime number because 23 divided by 1 is equal to 23 and then 23 divided by 1. 23 divided by 1 is equal to 23. 23 divided by 23 is equal to 1. It is a prime number because the number divided by 1 only itself. So 23 is a prime number. The next one B 51. B 51. 51 is a prime or not? 51 divided by 1 is equal to 51. 51 divided by 51 is equal to 1. The next one 51 divided by 3. 1 3 is 3. Here also 1 3 is 3. Remaining 2. Here only having 21. 7 3s are 21. The factor is 3 into 7. Factor is 3 into 17. 3 into 17 is equal to 51. 3 into 17 is equal to 51. So we have 3 factors for 51. 1, then itself 51, then 3 and 17. So it is not a prime number. It is a composite number. The next one, 37. The next one, C. 37. 37 is a prime number because the number divided by 1 and itself. Next one, D. D is equal to 24. D is equal to 24. Is a composite number, so it is not prime. Because 24 have more than 2 factors. 24 have more than 2 factors. Next one, 9th one. Write 7 consecutive numbers less than 100. Write 7 consecutive numbers less than 100. That means the numbers 1 to 99. Less than 100 means 1 to 99. So that there is no prime between them. There is no prime between them. The first number is 90. Next one, 91, 92. 93, 94, 95, 96. It is a consecutive numbers. It is also consecutive numbers because 90 is a prime number. 91 prime. 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. This is all called the consecutive numbers. We have no prime numbers. The first part is write 7 consecutive number less than 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 consecutive numbers less than 100. So that there is no prime between them. There is no prime between them. 11th one. Write 5 pairs of prime numbers less than 20. Write 5 pairs of prime number less than 20. Prime means the number divided by 1 and itself. Whose sum is divisible by 5. The condition is whose sum is divisible by 5. Sum is plus and we want to divide by 5. 5 pairs. The important condition is prime less than 20. Prime numbers less than 20. Our first prime is 2. Next one 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and 17, 19. Because not less than 20. First, take the sum. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. That means whose sum? 2 plus 3. Both are prime numbers. We want to add 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Our condition is divisible by 5. It is divisible by 5. So 2 plus 3. First pair is 2, 3. And next one, second pair. 2, 13. 2 plus 13 is equal to 15. 2 plus 13 is equal to 15. Our condition is whose sum divisible by 5. 2 and 13 is a prime number. We want to add 2 plus 13 is equal to 15. Then our condition is divided by 5. 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. So next pair is 2, 13. But we want to 5 pairs. Next we have 3 plus 7. 3 is a prime number, 7 is also a prime number. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 10 divided by 5. 2 5s are 10. So 3, 7 is a prime number. Our condition is whose sum is divisible by 5. The next one, again we take 3 plus 17. 3 plus 17. 3 plus 17. 3 and 17 is a prime number. 3 plus 17 is equal to 20 divided by 5. Divisible by 5. So 1 5 is 5. 4 5s are 20. The next pair is 3, 17. 3, 17. We want to 5 pair. The next 11, 19. 11 plus 19 is equal to 30. Divided by 5. 6 times. So 11 and 19. Fifth pair is 11 and 19. So our solution is 2, 3, 2, 13, 3, 7, 3, 17, 11, 19. This is another 5 pairs of prime numbers. 5 pairs of prime numbers. Then less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. Whose sum is divisible by 5. 2, 3, 2, 13, 3, 7, 3, 17, 11, 19. And finally our homework part, exercise 3.2, question number 2, 6.